Namaste friends. Today we'll talk about stiff neck. Do you wake up with a stiff neck, pain while turning your head? Please don't ignore it. Today we'll discuss about stiff neck, its causes, symptoms and effective homeopathic treatment. Homeopathy is very useful and very effective in stiff neck. Stiff neck is a common condition where the neck muscles become tight, painful and difficult to move. It can happen suddenly after waking up or develop gradually due to poor habits. Sometimes it may also be associated with the cervical spondylosis or muscle strain. The chief causes are: let's understand the main causes of stiff neck. Wrong sleeping posture or using improper pillow. Long hours of mobile or computer use. Sudden jerk movement of neck. Muscle strain or injury. Stress or tension may be also one of the cause. Exposure to cold air. Cervical spine problems in chronic cases. Common symptoms are pain and stiffness in neck, difficulty in turning the head, pain radiating to shoulders or upper back, muscle tightness, headache in some cases, sometimes swelling or tenderness. Now we are coming to risk complications. If ignored, stiff neck can become chronic and lead to cervical issues, nerve compression or frequent headache. So early management is very important and necessary. Don't ignore it. If it is starting, please consult a homeopathic physician nearby. Now we are coming to the main point. Homeopathic medicines. Homeopathic medicines and the treatment is individualized, but some commonly used medicines are Rustox, best for stiffness with pain, especially worsen after rest and better by movement. Brahnia alba, pain increasing with the slightest movement. Patient refers to keep the neck still. Cannot move right and left. एकदम stiff, straight एकदम. Belladonna, sudden onset with intense pain, restlessness and heat in the affected area. Guaiacum. Guaiacum is a medicine marked stiffness and restricted movement, especially in chronic cases. Then was the topmost medicine, Kalmia latifolia, pain radiating from neck to arms, nerve-related pain. Now friends, we are coming to one more medicine, that is Shimisufuga. Shimisufuga is stiffness associated with the muscular and nervous tension. So, these are the medicines. Never take any medicine of your own. Always consult a homeopathic physician nearby. Along the medicine, follow the tips. Use a proper pillow and maintain correct sleeping posture. Avoid long screen time. Take frequent breaks every 40 minutes. Do gentle neck exercise. Apply warm compression to reduce stiffness. Manage stress through relaxation and techniques. Avoid sudden jerk movement. So friends, consult a homeopathic physician as soon as possible. Thank you. Long live homeopathy, long live Honeyman.